It's not difficult to recover data from iPhone that won't turn on. You can check the details in this video. If your iPhone won't turn on, you can use CoolMaster iPhone Data Recovery to get data from iTunes without using iPhone. As long as you made a backup of your iPhone with iTunes before, you can easily retrieve all the backup files with this program. Install and open the software on your computer. After that, choose the Recover from iTunes Backup File mode from the left window. Next, select the required iTunes backup and then click the Start Scan button to scan the data. After scanning, it will list all iPhone files in categories on the left panel. Click one data tab to view the detailed information on the right panel. Select one category from the left sidebar, tick the wanted items, and hit the Recover button below to get data from iTunes backup to your computer. If you have backed up your iPhone with iTunes before it does not turn on, you can restore data from that iPhone via iTunes. However, you need to use another iPhone which works normally, and it may erase the existing data on the target iPhone. 1. Install the latest version of iTunes on your computer and connect your new iPhone to it via USB cable. 2. Tap Trust on the new iPhone when it. Once done, iTunes will automatically detect your device. When detected, tap the iPhone icon under Devices, click Summary, and hit the Restore Backup button. 3. Pick the most recent backup file from the pop-up window and press the Restore button to start retrieving backups to the new iPhone. If you have enabled the automatic syncing of files to iCloud previously, you can now restore data from a dead iPhone with an iCloud backup file. 1. Visit iCloud homepage from a computer browser and sign in with the same Apple ID used on the dead iPhone. 2. Click the Photos section, select the photos you want to restore, and tap the download icon to save them to your computer.